Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to factor reset your Pixel 8 Pro device using phone settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the settings app. Now scroll down and find the system. Tap on the system. Again scroll down at the end. Tap on the reset option. Here you can see erase all data. Factor reset option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of delete data from your device like your Google account, system and app data and settings, third party apps, music, photos. Also sign out your account like WhatsApp, Facebook or other. If you want to choose erase SIM, it will also delete SIM contact from your device. Now tap on erase all data at the bottom right. Now confirm or unlock your screen. Here you can see erase all data again. When you tap on erase all data, it will delete all your phone personal data from your device and your phone reset to factory default. So make sure backup your important data before perform factory reset. That's it. If you like it, share it.